Friends, welcome back to my channel. It is Sonia here. Can you see me in the window? Woohoo! All right, shop is closed. Working here behind the scenes today. I'm gonna sit down for a second and chat with you guys because I just happen to have a little chair and a stool. So let me flip this around and tell you about all the news going down here at the Junk Monkey. So we're sitting outside my shop right now. You guys see me film all the time out here in the front landing of my store or inside our shop. And what you may not realize is about a year ago we downsized from a 7,000 square foot building into the space that we have right now. But we've definitely been feeling cramped, and so it's pretty cool that in the last few weeks, the last couple weeks, the people upstairs who actually rent the top portion of the building put their notice in, and so we jumped on it, we grabbed it, and now we're happy to say that as of yesterday we got the keys, and today there's cleaning, all kinds of DIY and things happening behind the scenes to be able to get it into tip-top shape so we can move upstairs. So it's pretty exciting to be able to do that, but of course upstairs has not been in use now for the last, like, I think 7 years. Oh, you're good, Adam, you can come on in. So there's Adam going behind the scenes doing a delivery of Junk Monkey for all you people out there, happy mail across the nation. And so, but because the upstairs has been closed up for so long, I think like 7 years or so, it needs a lot of work, a lot of TLC. It's been very, very lived in. And so this is what we're up to today here behind the scenes. Hey, Aloria, you're good. So there goes Aloria with a load of Junk Monkey paint. All right, lots of monkey mail going out today, restocking paint. And here comes Matt, and we got Riley on board as well. So it's a whole team effort here, okay? But I'm gonna take you guys upstairs so you can check out the space. And I'm excited because for the first time ever, I'm going to have a DIY studio. Like, you have no idea, as a creator and a maker and somebody who tends to just like do what I'm doing now, filming in all different spots and setting up, breaking down, to be able to have a place that I can actually focus. I'm talking about focusing. To be able to have a space that's going to be like an office and a DIY, and just to be able to really branch out is going to be awesome. So let's go. I'm going to take you upstairs, okay? But just know we got lots of work to do, and it's happening. All right, let's go. Up here is the top half of the building, and this is the part I'm going to take you up to see. You guys see me film in the bottom lower front end of my shop here, and now we get to move up, branch out, spread our wings, hang from vines, whatever monkeys do, and go upstairs. So I'll take you up there real quick. And by the way, take a look at this. So we had soil dropped off in the front of the space here last year, and it must have came from a farm because we have been growing. Who saw it last year? We grew corn, we grew carrots, and now Matt's thrilled to know that we're also growing a pumpkin. I don't think there's multiple pumpkins. I think it is a pumpkin. So stay tuned as to what's happening with Matt's pumpkin. So I'm going to take you through the side here. This is like the resident. You see apartment B. We're going to make use of the apartment to, like I say, to be able to spread our wings here at the Junk Monkey. But there's also a door right inside here. So once we get everything all in place, I'll take you for a complete tour. But yay! Yay! Oh man, no happy mail. No happy mail. Oh man. All right, there's always tomorrow. All right, how's it going, Adam?
Good, good.
Woohoo! There goes Adam. All right, so we totally gonna have the Junk Monkey this door right here, bright color. Put a wreath or something that says happy, 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 because right now it is used and abused, my friends. Used and abused. Then we're gonna need a really nice rug down here at the bottom, something that says hello, smile, and bright and cheery. And you're gonna hear Erna upstairs, my friend Erna, who is also a professional cleaner. That I'm just gonna tell you, she was the lady for this job because she is into it and she's making everything beautiful. So this is one of the last spaces that she has to get to. So I'm thinking, like, for these stairs, I mean, look at the rail. We're gonna like, she tells me I won't even know it after she's done. So if you could smell right now and we had smell-o-vision, you'd smell what, Erna? Murphy's oil, and what else are you using up there?
Clorox.
Clorox. So once she's all done and we got the layer of dirt off, then I can actually, you know, begin to paint and things. And so for these stairs that go up, so you guys know that I will be doing my butt busters every single day that I come here to the shop. except we'll be able to come in through the back right here, through the side. I'm gonna probably put a new stain on this, maybe some, go find some, you know, I'll DIY this on my Facebook page so you guys can follow along and maybe get some ideas as well. But this doesn't scare me, right? This is just, you know, let's just go ahead and either paint it or stain it, and maybe a gel stain over the top of it. And then, you know, you see all the kick places, you know, where your shoes hit, then we got to figure out what we're going to do in there as well. You know, whether I paint it, whether I go get some wallpaper and we do some really fun stairs, but something's definitely going to happen here, right? Something's definitely going to happen. All right, so when you get to the top, now remember this was a residence, proof that Erna's been here cleaning right there. And so here's what's going down today. I'm trying to think, where should I start? Do you want to say hello? Hi. Hello. So we're filming our vlog tonight for YouTube. So this is the first room. Oh, it smells so good in here, Erna. She's already been in here. It smells really, really good. We got the tarps down, and so now what we're gonna do is begin the painting process. So I'm gonna have definitely some chalkboard walls in here using our chalky style paint, and like gonna have like a few accent colors. But for right now, we're gonna put just some white onto it. I have a color called Cotton. So I do like that wall over there, right? I got a nice view here, guys. Woohoo! There you go. Down there is down there. There's our basement door. All right, let's see over here. So this is like the smallest of the room, and then the next room over here is, this was a bedroom. And so remember, you just kind of got to envision it for other uses, but very fortunate that it has a very, very nice high ceilings, okay? So what's happening right now is this carpet is about to be ripped out. Matt's on site. You can hear him down below bringing in some loads of paint, and then this is what happens. So we're gonna go ahead and paint, rip carpet today, and we're coming behind Erna because she is over there cleaning like a cleaning ninja. So when I first said I would take this place, I got a little excited because I'm like, look, I don't care hardwood floors, and I really don't care how used and abused they are, because we can junk monkey them, we can, you know, we can distress them and seal them with banana peel and really just make a really nice time-worn floor. Inside, it looks like there's like cedar in here, which is really cool. So we started the process, and I had Matt to pull back to kind of see what we were dealing with. And so, you know, lots of tack strips. So this is gonna be my life today. Not fun ripping that stuff up. And this looks like maybe a linoleum of some sort. So we're gonna see, once we take out the tack strips and rip back all the carpet, what it looks like, if it's been piecemealed underneath or if it's all linoleum, and then get a game plan from there. But I can tell you, this floor is definitely going to be painted no matter what it is. So we'll definitely get that all figured out. So look at this old, who remembers the big old TVs like that? The dinosaurs! This TV is gonna go away today and make its way out of here, but it is a big honkin' dinosaur, right? Part of me wants to like go find a vintage Super Nintendo, hook it up to here, and get a comfy chair and just hang out and watch, you know, Super Nintendo. So yeah, so if I get nothing done today, I just want you to know that may have happened. All right, let me show you the next space out here. So this over here is what would have been considered the living room, and it's nice because it has the big bright windows. I love the fact that it has high bright windows. Just a quick decorating tip, remember, if this space was mine, I would totally rip down that valance right there, but I'm just going to make use of it as is, paint it, not draw attention to the eye, because once all the new color goes on here, right now this color is breaking up, right? And the way this is built into the wall, I don't want to get into repairing drywall. It's been painted. This building is 1840s. I don't know how long this valance has been up here for, but this wooden built-in valance. So we're gonna leave it in place so we don't damage the walls, because it's like really, really in there good. But I will paint it so it basically is gonna be the same color as the walls, so I'm not gonna draw attention to it, okay? So that's a quick design tip out there for you guys. Let's see who's out here. Anybody down there? Anybody down there? There's that ice cream store right over there. The ice cream store. Does this man right here walking know that he's even on camera? You just never know who's watching. This is the fort down here, by the way, when I talk about, you know, when you hear the cannons go off. This is the fort, and these look like probably people who've been down there doing the tours. So this fireplace is here. You're gonna see me DIY this probably over the next 24 hours on our Facebook page. Make sure you guys are following me over there, okay? So, because you'll see lots of different things over there than even what's even on our channel, and vice versa. So this looks just like faux logs in here, but I am going to paint the walls this cotton color that I have, which is a nice warm white. And then I may do this like in maybe an antique lace or a mocha madness, and with maybe a brown glaze. We'll see once I get it all envisioned here. But I think that's gonna be a pretty fun project, right? Remember, all the carpet comes up as well, and this is gonna be a great office space. So the space next door that I showed you out there, that is gonna be my DIY place. That's gonna be where you see me come live from and do lots of my like video shoot room, like a video production room. So I'm excited to get my lights in there, video cameras, get my tripods, all that sort of stuff. And in here, this is gonna be used for office space. And so what's really cool about this wall is that we figure this is an old projector screen. Like seriously, I've never been in a house when, yeah, this would have been a screen that, you know, you would have to sit back here and be able to focus and watch and sit right in front to be able to get the full-on view of not TV, but your projector screen. And maybe some spaces for some dried flowers, we don't know. And look at these lovely colors. Yay! So the doors will all have to be junk monkeyed. Fun stuff, right? What's cool too is that these doors here, do you see how they have those little inlays into them? This is perfect for like if I want to like use these doors in here for like agendas, right? And you know, junk monkey them, not seal them, and then we can like use to write to-dos on here, or Monday to do, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You know what I'm saying? Lots of storage in here, which is really nice as well, for lots of great stuff. So exciting. Are you already started on it? Holy moly, seriously. Let me see if I can zoom in down there to really be able to see. Look at this. Do you remember that dirty, grimy handle? Erna is already on it. Look at that. Productivity is happening. And there's the proof. There's the dirty water. There's the dirty water. So because this was a residence, there is also a kitchen area in here, right? So now it's nice because we'll be throwing in, and Erna's cleaned this. Look, Erna's snack is right there. She likes chocolate milk. I know we could be friends. So it's gonna be nice to be able to stock this with, you know, just pizzas and all that sort of stuff for all the junk monkeys to enjoy. We definitely like a fun culture here at the Junk Monkey because you can get work done and have fun too, right? So these here, we started the process right now. Erna's actually taken off these cupboard doors. They had cupboard doors over them. You can see down here as well as up here. But I think what I want to do is just have all the doors taken off of it. Then we're going to paint it nice, clean white and just do open shelving right here for anything that we want to stock, right? And basically repaint this little counter area right here. So you can see the stove is being cleaned, and this spaces will actually be drywalled and a little extra done to this space over the next few months, but it works for right now. I've never been in a place where you can actually pull down the stairs and then there's this big, like, seriously, if you ever seen like the bonus rooms that you see on HGTV and they make the space upstairs, oh my gosh, so cool. Ready to get to work? All right, well, I guess I should turn this video off and get started. But this is like the partially started, hey Matt, this is the partially started, you know, the cleaning has happened, and now we're gonna basically start to make this place our own. So lots of fun. Are you excited, Matt? Are you excited?
Be more excited if all the lights were actually working.
I know, we're finding light switches, all that good stuff, right? You know, team effort, we should be able to knock this out. And I'm going with a light color because, you know, I wanna, you know, again, the smell of just nice fresh paint on the walls, just showing them, making that feeling like you're making it your own, and also like any scuff marks. And I went with a light space because I want this space to feel as maximized as possible, right? So I want the light to be able to come in. I took down all the curtains, the blinds, all that stuff, because I want the light to be able to reflect off the walls and really just make it feel bright. An awesome place to be here. It'd be great for filming, for coming into, and just to feel good, you know, getting all the use and you know, those tired old walls. Just get a nice fresh coat of makeup and it's gonna wake up feeling all fine and fresh. So that's what we're up to today. Stay tuned here on the vlog. I'll take you on a tour. Give me like maybe a week or so and I'll show you the changes that we've made, the color that we've added, and how we've made this space our own.
It ain't gonna be a week.
I know, it'll be tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow, let's be honest, right? Is that what you mean, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he knows. Anybody else? You really just want to do it now. I might never sleep again. All right, guys. I'll see you guys again soon. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we do uploads on our vlogs here on our YouTube channel. So maybe tomorrow I'll have a DIY for you. We'll see. Okay, bye.